Hi guys, this video is going to show you how you can fix your blue screen error. I've also tried several ways which didn't work out, but I was able to discover this method which I'm going to show you. If this is your first time in my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Let's begin. Okay, so first step, shut down the laptop and then remove the static energy or the static charge. So how do you remove the static charges? By long pressing on the power button for some seconds. In my case, I'm going to hold it for 30 seconds. Okay, so once you're done with that, then the next step is for you to open and locate where the RAM is. Okay, I'm done removing the screw, so I'm going to try and open it up. Okay, so let us check. I think I need to change this. I need a flat mouth so that I can remove it easily. Be careful so that you won't damage anything. Okay, I think I found, see, there's a space there. Okay, so this is everything. So then the next step is that I'm going to locate the RAM. Remember, this is the battery. You don't need to touch that for now. So just try and remove the RAM. So the RAM is here. Look at it here. There are two. So first, there's a pin by the side. So I'm going to remove the pin. So this is the first one. You can see the way I place it. Then the second one, you can see the way I place it. So you leave it for a while for the static charges to drain out. Okay, so after a while, then you place the RAM back to the position. Be careful so that you can place it correctly to how you met it, I mean. So look at it. I'm going back in now. Careful. See, one is in. You can see the mouth. Let it match up with the other one. Then the other one too is in. Then our advice, you don't tighten up the screw yet. So let us try and boot it and see if it's going to boot. Now, another thing you need to know is that there are different codes which your blue screen error might be showing, but I believe that this is the general way you can fix this blue screen error. Okay, I think it's coming up. So how my blue screen error occur anytime the laptop tries to boot. Then once the laptop tries to boot, it doesn't get to the home screen, then it will just go off. So you see, it's back now. So you can put in your password and you start using it. And that's it.